Let's mosey on into the kitchen, shall we? Prepare 2 cups of shredded cheese, half a pound of crispy bacon, then grab about 4 pounds of your potatoes and cut into thin slices. This ensures they cook evenly. In a saucepan, melt 1/4 cup of the butter, stir in 1/4 cup of flour, then gradually whisk in 2 cups of milk until smooth. Season with 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of pepper, and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Layer half the potatoes in a greased baking dish. Pour half the sauce over, then half of the 2 cups of cheddar cheese. Repeat with the remaining potatoes, sauce, and cheese. Cover with foil and bake at 350 degrees for about 1 hour. Then uncover and bake for an additional 20 minutes. Top with a half a pound of crumbled bacon with 2 chopped green onions and a sprinkle of 2 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese. Return to the oven for 5 minutes, let it cool slightly, then serve these creamy, cheesy, and loaded scalloped potatoes. Perfect for a hearty meal. For more delicious recipes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Enjoy cooking.